Hi, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily move spreadsheets from one Excel workbook to another. This is perfect for combining multiple spreadsheets into a single workbook. Let's dive in. Step 1. Set up your workbooks. Here on the right, I have a completely blank workbook. It only has Sheet 1 and it's empty. On the left, I have 3 separate workbooks, each with a spreadsheet I want to combine. Instead of copying and pasting the data manually, there's a much easier way. Step 2. Move or copy the first sheet. Maximize the first workbook. At the bottom, right-click on the Sheet tab, for example, the Board Games sheet, and select Move or Copy. In the dialog box, choose the workbook you want to move it to. In this case, Book 1, our blank workbook. Make sure you check Create a Copy so the original workbook stays intact. Click OK. Now, that sheet has been added to the previously blank workbook. You still have Sheet 1 there, but now you also see the Board Games spreadsheet. I can now close the original workbook I copied from without saving it. Step 3. Repeat for the other sheets. Go to the next workbook, for example, the Movies list. Right-click the Sheet tab, choose Move or Copy, select Book 1, check Create a Copy, and click OK. Now, Book 1 has 2 spreadsheets, Board Games and Movies. Finally, do the same for the Synthpop CDs sheet. Right-click the tab, Move or Copy, select Book 1, check Create a Copy, and click OK. At this point, all 3 separate spreadsheets are now combined into a single workbook. Step 4. Clean up. You can remove the original blank sheet if you want. Right-click Sheet 1, Delete. Now you only have the 3 spreadsheets you need, all neatly in one workbook. And that's it. You've learned how to move or copy sheets from one Excel workbook to another, making it easy to combine multiple spreadsheets into one.